February 6, 2018, SpaceX launched the maiden flight of the Falcon Heavy rocket. The Falcon Heavy is the most powerful rocket in the world and the second most powerful U.S. rocket ever built. During the maiden launch, SpaceX successfully returned and landed 2 Falcon 9 core boosters simultaneously. Elon Musk's personal Tesla Roadster served as the first dummy payload with Starman at the driver's seat. The success of this launch paves the way towards more affordable space travel for the future. For more rocket launch information, visit spacecoastlaunches.com.